You are not recording. What? Why is there so many birds?
Aiden, are you sure there's orange? Maybe that one is orange.
Arya, hold your tab. It's recording. Point it at the birds. Oh no.
Make it
Hold it.
go like this.
Arya, look at the birds. Put in a. Why is there so many birds?
Yeah.
Bye, bye, bird.
There's so many birds, guys. But they're flying away and there's each one now. But there's still many. And when it's recording, there's so many.
Arya, did you know you can touch that? Did you know you cannot touch the electric?
Yeah.
You need to only touch it. If you touch it and you touch the floor, you get zapped. If you only touch it, you don't get zapped. Birdie. Hubba birds flying over the sky. Hubba birds. Bird.
A fly just flies to my face. I see a C. Sometimes C is C. Like this. I see a C. I see a C. I see a C.
Arya, there's yellow, there's gray, there's light blue, there's...
In the top it looks like the sky is pink.
Yeah. But it's orange, but look at the birds, Arya.
There's even birds there.
Also, no birds there, no birds there. Only birds here, only. Why only this one? What if one gets zapped?
The birds don't get zapped.
What if they touch the roof and touch the electric wire?
And then I can't hold it anymore.
Why is there so many birds?
Yeah, like this.